Hello guys, welcome back to Anup channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Today guys, I will show you how our Dex trending board works, right? If you want to buy this board for trending your token on dextool.io website, you can purchase from me. You can message me on the Telegram. I will provide the details on the video description. So let's start the video. So let's go to the Dextool website. So we have on the Dextool website, you can see the token trending on the hot pair one is 80 assets. Okay, so we will go to the live new pairs. Okay, so here are all the live new pairs that are came ASAP. So we will take any one of that. First, let me open and let me show all the things of the particular token. So it has no data, so we will go for a little lower. So that has some liquidity. So it is, let's say for the it is no left it. Take some small amount of liquidity, 82. Okay, so we will open this like this. So the token that is trending, you can see the token that are trending, you can see like this over. It will show hot one, hot two, whatever it's trending. Okay, so now you can see, let me refresh again and let me show it's not trending. You can see that. Okay, so it has total 158k point holders and liquidity 4.93. Okay, you can see, so it's not trending. Okay, let me refresh again. So it's not trending. Okay, so let me make it trending. So simply I will copy this link and I will go to the software and go to the setting option and just simply put the link over here like this, and I will go and copy the token address and I will go to again and I will paste over here, and simply I will make here run 10 times at, okay, and I will close this and simply I will run the software like this. So in some seconds or minutes it will start making token trending. You can see live. So let me show live. Our token will trend. So here is the software is working. Okay, so let me show you live proof. So you should not ask me again for the demo, right? So when it will start trending, you will see the hot pair over here. First open this. So let me refresh again. So it's not trending till now. The software is working. So once it started trending, you will show. So, so we'll wait for some minute or some second so it can start with trending. We will keep on checking. So when it will start trending, we will get it noted. So we need to wait. So it start get it trended. Software is continuously working to make it trending. So still it's not trending. We need to wait more minutes. So it started trending. So I don't want to make the video too long, so I need to pause the video and I will start once again when it start trading, guys. So I need to pause it. So guys, you can see the token has started trending on the hot pair 9, hot on trending number 9. So it will start sooner. It will the software will keep working and it will go to the one position or second position or third position. So just we need to wait and watch, and the software will automatically do the its task. So you can see software is continuously working to make the token on the number one position. So till the time the software is working, you can see the video, guys. Okay. So if you want to purchase this software, you can contact me on the Telegram. I will provide the details on the video description, guys. Thank you for the watching video, guys. Thank you, guys.